Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school information system. First, securely log in using your unique username and password. Once inside, you'll see your personalized dashboard, which is your central hub for important announcements and quick access to key features. Take a moment to update your personal profile, ensuring all your contact details are accurate. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience and effective communication throughout the academic year. Now, let's dive into managing student information. You can easily locate individual student profiles to view their complete academic history, including attendance and disciplinary records. The system allows you to efficiently input and review grades for all assignments, quizzes, and exams. Furthermore, you can generate comprehensive progress reports with just a few clicks, making it simple to share vital academic updates with both students and their parents, fostering better engagement. Effective communication is key, and our system makes it simple. Use the integrated messaging feature to send direct messages to students, parents, or groups, ensuring everyone stays informed. The calendar tool is your go-to for managing your class schedule, viewing school-wide events, and setting up personal reminders for important deadlines or meetings. This helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss a beat, keeping everyone connected and on track. Finally, let's talk about support and resources. The system provides a comprehensive library of helpful guides and frequently asked questions to assist you with common tasks. Should you encounter any technical difficulties or have specific system inquiries, you can easily submit a support ticket for prompt assistance. Additionally, explore advanced features for in-depth data analysis and reporting, empowering you with valuable insights to enhance your teaching and administrative duties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.